Hi guys, welcome to Acedo's Kitchen, where we keep cooking simple, flavorful, and stress-free. If you're ready to cook delicious meals without confusion, you're in the right place. I'm making a simple minced beef and spaghetti recipe. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below, so I'll go right into the process. I add minced beef into a large pot on a medium flame and start breaking it apart. Once the meat is fully broken up and there are no lumps left, I add ginger. Please note that I've not yet added water. I add black pepper and onions and cook for a minute, then add a cinnamon stick, tomatoes, tomato paste and basil paste. I mix to combine and go in with the spices. You can use any spice of your choice, however, I'm using paprika, garlic powder and coriander powder. At this point, I add a teaspoon of olive oil and vegeta. You can skip the oil if preferred, but I find that the meat has a weird grayish tint when cooked with no oil, so I add just a little. Then I cook this on low for 5 minutes. As this is cooking, I start boiling water for the pasta. Then I add capsicum and mixed vegetables and stir to combine. I taste for salt and seasoning and adjust salt as needed. I'm adding just a little salt at this point because it can be adjusted later if needed. I continue cooking it for 3 more minutes before adding cumin powder. I transfer the meat to the back so I can cook the pasta. I'm using spaghetti, but any pasta of your choice will do with this recipe. With the pasta cooking, I check on the sauce. Our minced beef sauce is now cooked, so I finish it off with cumin powder and garlic, mix to combine, then allow it to simmer on low for 5 minutes. Our sauce is ready. It tastes great and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I skim off excess oil, cover the pot and turn the heat off as we wait for the pasta to cook. The pasta is now cooked to my liking, so I drain it and combine it with the minced beef sauce, and once everything is well incorporated, Our pasta is ready to serve. If you like this channel and are yet to subscribe, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment down below and share. This engagement helps with the channel's visibility. It signals to the YouTube algorithm that people like this content, so the channel gets pushed to a wider audience. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now and thanks for watching.